My dear job aspirants, welcome to Jobs and Education. This is your Mahesh Dole. Do subscribe and share my videos. Guys, in this video, I am providing an important information regarding RRB NTPC. Because of this notification is very important for all the graduation students. These are the number of posts and different posts in this notification. So there is Chief Commercial cum Ticket Supervisor, Station Master, Goods Train Manager, Junior Accountant, Assistant cum Typist, Senior Clerk cum Typist. There are 5 different posts are there. Total number of posts are around 8,000 change. So the age limit is this and the salary details are these. So all of you please check your details and apply for this. These are the post parameters. Every degree candidate, like every graduated candidate can apply for this job. And this is the date, last date to apply for this post, because previously it was 13th of October 2024. Now it extended till 28th of October. So last date is 20 October 2024. So more 2 days are there. Try to apply. In this recruitment, there will be 2-stage computer-based tests are there. The first test is for 90 minutes for 100 marks. So 40 marks from general awareness, 30 from mathematics and 30 from reasoning. So if you qualify in this first stage, you will be selected for the second stage exam. So in that computer-based test, there will be 120 questions and 90 minutes. 50 questions from general awareness and 35 from mathematics and 35 from reasoning. So if you qualify these 2 exams, you are going to secure the job. How to apply for this notification? Guys, this is a website rrbapply.gov.in. So go to this website and click on this apply button. So after click on this apply button, you can see create an account and already have an account. So first of all, we have to create an account. So when you click on create an account, you can get this form. In this form, you have to fill your basic details like full name, date of birth, gender, father's name, mother name, Aadhaar number and your email address, mobile number. So this kind of basic details you have to fill, and after creating an account, you will get your password to your mail and your phone number. So after getting your password, so you can log in by entering your details in the place of mobile number and email address and password. So after entering the login details, click on the login. So after that, you can enter into this page. In this page, click on this online application. In this Railway Recruitment Board, you can see different number of notifications. So our notification is 05/2024. So don't go for 06/2024 or 04/2024. So our notification is 05/2024. So see it carefully. After clicking this next button, you will get the actual application form, which consists of all the basic details, addresses and uploading documents like your 10th memo as well as your Aadhaar card and your photographs and signatures. So fill up all the details in the application form. So after completing, submit it. So this is, you have to finish within 30 minutes, because of when you open this application form, it will show at the left top corner like this. The time 30 seconds will be the time limit. Within 30 minutes you have to fill the application form, and you have to select only one RRB. For example, if I belongs to SCR, South Central Railway, means Secunderabad, I have to select. So if you are belongs to some other state, so select according to your nearby railway board. After selecting that, fill all the details and submit. So all the best for your coming up RRB exam.